cool. Great name, by the way. All right, so if you could sit, right now you kind of scooch back on the chair. I want you to slide forward towards the front edge of the chair. Good, so you're automatically sitting more upright. Do you feel that? Good. I'm going to pop this just between your knees. This is simply to keep your knees neutral so that we can keep all of the attention at the pelvis. So we're going to take exactly what you learned on the floor to the chair, all right? So I'd like you to put your hands on your hips just as you did before. Great. And as you inhale, you're going to forward tilt. That's it, feeling that deeper arch in your back. As you exhale, backward tilt the pelvis. Nice. Inhale, forward tilt. Exhale, backward tilt. Good. Continue to move the pelvis, moving with your breath, keeping the inner thighs soft, and just isolating that motion to the pelvis. Good. And just like you did on the floor, you're going to start to make those motions smaller and smaller and smaller until your pelvis is not forward or back. It's right down the middle, it's neutral. Noticing the sensation in the lower back. That's that natural lumbar curve that we're talking about. Yeah. And again, your whole posture has got more upright, and I can see you feel lighter in your seat. Yeah. And this is the beautiful thing about alignment, right? When the body's aligned, it supports the whole structure more efficiently. So you do get more of a sense of lightness throughout your body.
That's nice.
Good. All right, so let's shift the attention now to the front, just like you did when you were lying down. We're going to be using the zipper now. Okay, so I think you can either manually do it if that's helpful. If you feel like you've got the understanding, you can just move from the inside. All right. So taking an inhale, as you exhale, zip up, and that's going to backward tilt your pelvis. Good. Inhale, return to neutral. Good. Exhale, zip up. Feel that backward tilt. Nice. Inhale to neutral. Exhale, zipping up. Pubic bone lifts to the navel. Inhale, return to neutral. Awesome. So come into the forward tilt position now. Good. So you've got that just to where your body naturally goes. Okay. So that feeling that deeper curve. And again, using the zipper to come to neutral. All right, so lots of awareness here. Take an inhale. Exhale, zip up to neutral. Yeah. Inhale, forward tilt. Exhale, zip up to neutral. Inhale, forward tilt. Exhale, zip up to neutral. Inhale, forward tilt. We'll do one more for good luck. And staying in neutral. Good. Notice the sensation. Notice the sensation of support, right, from that deeper abdominal area. Okay. And the lightness that comes to your whole torso.
Very nice.
Really good. Excellent. All right. So from here, we'll move on.